Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're at Jimmy Diresta's. If you don't know who Jimmy is, first off, what is your problem? But second off, this is where the YouTube journey for our building started. And we're gonna go in, we're gonna see Jimmy, and we're gonna do a quick build or make of some sort with Jimmy. So let's go inside and take a look and see what we got. Are we locked out?
Got locked? I got you.
Hey, you in there, Jimmy?
Yeah. Yo.
Jimmy,
what's up,
dude?
Welcome
so
back
this
to your
is
building.
Jimmy. This is Jimmy Diresta, and this is the building that Greg and I built in 2017. And while we were out here doing another project, I thought, let's see if we can do a quick build make of some sort. What do you think?
I got like 10 minutes. We could do a bandsaw project.
Bandsaw project?
Yeah. How about on Greg's shirt, RR?
Let's do the RR logo. Jimmy is the godfather of the bandsaw. He is miraculous. Let's see what he can do for it.
The problem is I have to go somewhere. I got to drive to Pennsylvania right now. So
yeah, you're a busy guy, man.
Let's see. Hold on.
What is this scrap pile over here?
Let's see.
As long as you got room on it so that we can spray Diresta. We got to build it. So you're going to freehand this?
Yeah. Let's see. But I got to look at Greg's shirt. Let me see.
Okay. Got my hat too.
Oh, yeah. The big top of the arm. I'm a little out of shape here, but let's see.
Hey, no excuses, dude. You're either good or you're not, Jimmy.
Now, this is a trick I teach on my bandsaw lesson.
Okay.
If you're nervous about backing out, just turn the saw off because you're going to pull it off the blade anyway.
Okay.
Let me see that. Let me see that chart there. Okay.
No pencils, no pre-drawing, just straight off the cuff, huh?
Well, let's see. This blade is probably about as dull as it has to be for a 10-minute cutout. You know how some blades, when they're dull, they'll follow the grain?
Yeah.
That's what this is doing.
Okay.
It's giving me a little bit of trouble.
I usually make excuses too when I'm doing work. Not very, but this looks pretty good to me, dude.
Now this is my little trick we're gonna leave that connected.
Oh.
So it looks like it's...
Okay.
I already messed it up, but it's gonna be close. There's one aspect of your logo, this R deads into that one. Whatever, we're gonna live with it.
I think it'll be all right. I put you on the spot, man.
What does R&R stand for?
R&R, when I started my business, I was a residential remodeler. That's not what R&R stood for. What it was rural renovators.
Oh, okay,
I was in the country, and my whole tagline was, everyone deserves a little R&R, so hire R&R for your home remodeling needs. So don't try and do it yourself, just call us and we can do it. But when I went to building this type of structure, it was, I didn't want to lose the logo, I didn't want to lose the name, so I just went RR Buildings. You'll never meet a guy, a woodworker, that's more safe than Jimmy Diresta.
We would have been on our 4th version if this blade wasn't so dull.
I don't know, dude. I think it's pretty dang good. I've never really done bandsaw work, so this is pretty mesmerizing.
I always say, if you want to practice, just draw some pencil lines down and start seeing if you can follow the pencil lines. They don't even have to be anything.
Pretty good advice.
I'm going to lose our connection. I got to be careful. RR. And I left this for my logo.
Yes, that's what I wanted. I wanted to make sure that we spray painted Diresta on there.
You know what? Let me go to the other bandsaw for this one. This one's got a sharper, more of a
but
rougher
too big
cut.
for scrolling through, right?
Oh, son of a bitch! Is the damn thing unplugged? To give it a little personality.
Yeah, not just a straight square.
Yeah, follow me. Let's see if I got anything big enough. Too big. This one can fit on there. This one's better.
Only you, Jimmy.
What color is that? Satin Canyon Black.
Boom, dude. Look at that.
Diresta and R&R.
That is awesome. Jimmy, thanks, man. This
Yeah,
has
bro.
been a huge... No,
I can't thank you both enough for coming back here.
no,
I
man,
mean,
this is awesome.
like I said, I'm just glad he still took my phone call. So.
I know exactly where this is going to go. It's going to go right on the desk and or in the new shop that I'm building. Have you seen it?
Yeah, it's unbelievable.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
insane.
yeah. Well,
hopefully you get some inspiration being here.
yeah, 100%, man. I want
almost
to
done.
finish it so I can start using it, man.
Yeah,
This has been the best part of this journey is being able to see not only Jimmy, because this is great. I mean, the guy hasn't changed in 7 years, still just the sweetest, most humble dude. But also seeing the space that we started. So this is awesome, Jimmy. Thank you so much.
brother.
I know you got to go.
This all
Appreciate it.
started because he answered my Instagram message.
I think I actually avoided you though for like a year.
I might have been hitting you
I
up.
think it was like a year later before I finally was like, "Who is this dude? I'm gonna look into this." Yeah,
So
yeah,
thank
it's
you.
awesome,
I
man.
appreciate
Thank
it.
you so much.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Social media.
Jimmy
It works.
DeResta, make sure you're following him, dude. He's always doing crazy stuff.
Oh, that's my meeting.
He's got to go. Awesome, dude.
Guys,
That's awesome.
thank
That's
you.
perfect timing.
Yeah,